Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. It's 1 week till tax deadline. Another day, another big swing in the markets. Dow up 1285, NASDAQ up 848, S&P up 178. VIX down to 20.13. VIX down almost 22%. All on the hunch that there's going to be a 2-week ceasefire. It's just wild how the markets just are so dependent on some type of news. Just the thought of a ceasefire sent them stocks rocketing upward. Crypto as well. Coinbase up 7%. Wow, MU up 10%. Unfortunately, I'm not long anything. Hood up 10%. We will see what kind of movement happens after the bell rings. Big movement pre-market. Let's see if it continues to move or if we just plateau, which would be nice. All right, there is the bell. It's been a while since I've seen a market like this. It has been a while. Oil plummeting. Oil down to $93, down 17%. So what will today bring? Are we going to pull back or continue higher? Hood up over 10% as well. Expected move of 46.6. I kind of like the VIX being around 20 when I'm trading TLC. Seems like it's always been always done well when the VIX was around 20. Hopefully it stays there. Netflix coming down. Tesla, Nvidia, Apple. A lot of stocks coming down. Netflix has gone red for Netflix. MSTR coming down, PLTR coming down. Just about everything's coming down a bit. CrowdStrike pushing up. Microsoft coming down. Getting our second bar here now. Dow at 1,400. What kind of volume are we going to get here? After yesterday, I would say that this market owes us some calm waters. VIX below 20 at 19.2. S&P had about a 40-point push up that first bar. Now it's not moving. Pretty nice push down in MSTR. Doesn't appear to get like we're going to get any big volume bars. Nice push up by CrowdStrike. No big volume bars. I'll be back in 1 minute. Still got a lot of stocks coming down here out of the gates. Not surprising given the big move up pre-market. VIX back up above 20. I'd love to find a mighty 90 long here. So far, just the stair stepping down in volume, which doesn't really give us anything to trade. AVGO with a big reversal. Definitely a day to be very patient. So far, not seeing anything I like. If you see something, don't hesitate to post it in the chat. See, in terms of news today, we got the Fed minutes at 2 Eastern. That's about it. I usually don't really monitor them much because everybody knows what they're going to say. And a little bit of a mighty 90 in PLTR. Definitely would like to see that volume separation be bigger, though. VIX now up to 20.54 through highs of day. I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna look at this mighty 90 in PLTR. It's coming down to previous day highs. Looking at the 152.5 calls. Was trying to get filled at $1.70. Yeah, it's bouncing on me, darn it. Come on, come back down. Filled at $1.75. PLTR. I would close half at $1.95. Close half of my PLTR. So again, not the best looking Mighty 90. I mean, I like to see more volume pop, but when it came down to previous day high, I decided to get in on a Mighty 90 long, hoping it would bounce here off that key level. Man, I was right there. Almost got filled on my $1.95. It was right there. Be looking for 2 consecutive green bars here out of PLTR. Netflix trying to bounce back. Can't believe I didn't get filled there. I had an order at $1.95 and I was watching price trade right at $1.95 and it never filled. Man, that's a bummer. Now it's coming back down. Need it to hold right here. Oh, CrowdStrike really pulled back. Let's go PLTR. Time to start getting strong. That's the wrong direction, PLTR. The IRGC warns any foreign aircraft entry breaches the ceasefire. Okay. Now we're getting a little farther of a push down than what I wanted to see. PLTR has gone red. Imagine that, the one stock that I'm in. I think I'm going to add a little bit here on my PLTR. Filled at $1.35 to add some PLTR. I always position size to add on Mighty 90s. NASDAQ down at lows. Pretty small volume, really, today so far. About a 20-point move down in the S&P. Again, these 20-point bars, I mean, they're just tough to trade when there's that much movement for delta neutral. Let's see if PLTR can go green here. Close half my ad at $1.50. Gotta be honest, I haven't traded a lot of TLC trades with a market like this that's up this much pre-market, so not much history behind trading this type of a swing pre-market. PLTR not cooperating on this mighty 90. And on a day when the NASDAQ is up almost 3%, PLTR goes red. Go figure. May have to close due to ugliness. Mighty 90s. I like to wait for those 2 bars, but man, if it just keeps going against you, sometimes it makes it tough, especially if you've added to it like I did. PLTR is acting like the market's down 1,000 points. I'll let this bar finish and then see what happens. I may have to cut it. S&P down about 30 points off of highs. Just an odd day here. A lot of stocks coming straight down, even though the market's up so much. What's weird is like now the market's bouncing here a bit with a green bar on that last 5-minute bar, but everything's coming down. Let's see a big bounce here, PLTR. Coinbase coming down. Not a lot of history with trading the market when it's like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to close PLTR just because it's just getting too bloody. Can't even get out of it. Filled at 84 cents. So Tough one there. That was a tough one. Just straight down from PLTR. And PLTR now is down 2%. Like, I don't know. I would have thought that Mighty 90 would have been pretty good. We got a lot of stocks really selling off here, but S&P is not moving down. Netflix went back green. Not 100% sure what this market wants to do. PLTR is acting like the market's down 1,000 points instead of up 1,300. Puzzling. Coinbase straight down, Nvidia straight down, Tesla down. Meta down at lows. PLTR still going down. Goodness. Nvidia falling. VIX at 20.84. And PLTR sold off. It's getting ready. It's coming down to yesterday's lows. It has really sold off. VIX jumping up a little bit. Today might be a sit and watch day. I don't know. We'll see. Cannot have a repeat of yesterday, that's for sure. But I've already started off in the red with this PLTR trade. No big volume bars, no other mighty 90s. Now Coinbase looks like it's going to get a mighty 90 long. NASDAQ's just been kind of trending lower. I don't know. I think I'm just going to go ahead and jump off. I'm just not feeling it with any of these day trading strategies. It's just can't get my mind wrapped around what this market wants to do. Whether it's just going to trend down throughout the day, but yeah, I'm just not too confident in what's going on here right now. So, gonna call it a day when it comes to these day trading strategies, and just sit tight and kind of see what the market does here over the next 30, 45 minutes before I want to enter anything delta neutral. Price has been about a 25-point range for most of the morning and after that first bar. So I don't know. Are we going to break out one way or the other or just chop sideways? So I'm just going to sit tight and kind of wait and see. So catch everyone later. Have a good day of trading. Talk to you soon.